Bollywood superstar Ajay Devgn, who is making his debut on a streaming platform with Rudra, The Edge of Darkness, said he is thrilled about his foray into long-format content with a nuanced, multifaceted character in the show. The upcoming DisneyPlus Hotstar VIP crime drama series is a remake of the Idris Elba-starrer successful British show Luther. The Hindi version is billed as an engaging and dark new take on cop stories by the makers, who launched the trailer of the show. Set in Mumbai, Rudra, The Edge of Darkness is a race against the clock thriller that delves into the psyche of highly intelligent criminals and the detective who hunts them. The 52-year-old star said the OTT medium has fascinated him as an actor and he is looking forward to presenting his debut show Rudra to his viewers.
मैंने सुना डबल मर्डर से कम बैक किया।
ट्रिपल मर्डर, एक कुत्ता भी था।
Rudra, The Edge of Darkness, coming soon.